Hey guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be making a living space for my desk, for my doll. So to make the living space, we're going to make a room, which is pretty much like a studio apartment made out of foam board. And if you guys want to see how it turns out, just keep on watching. We have a foam board here. It measures 20 by 28 inches. So now we're gonna go ahead and open it, take out the wrapper. This is a 2-pack that is from Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now we have the 2 foam boards. So we're gonna put one to the side right here. And then we're gonna take this foam board and I'm gonna measure down 6 inches and go ahead and cut 6 inches off of the foam board going the long way. I'm marking it right here at 6 inches. Which is right here with my pen on the edge, and then I just take the ruler the long way, and I'm using a ruler that has a leveler so I can make sure I cut everything even and make sure it's even straight across. Okay, so I just hold it so it's right in the middle, and now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and just cut straight down. Now I cut off the 6-inch going down piece, so this is now a 6 by 28-inch piece right here, and we're going to keep this and put this to the side because we're going to use that for another part later. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other foam board right here and cut this one just the same. So now that I cut the second foam board, I cut the piece off that's 6 inches by 28 pieces. I'm gonna put it with the other one I have. So now I have this board right here, which measures 14 inches by 28 inches. So now what I'm gonna do is cut half of this. So I'm going to cut 14 inches right in the middle, and it's gonna give me 2 pieces that are 14 by 14 inches. Now we have our 2 14 by 14 pieces, and we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. And now we're gonna take our 2 pieces that are 28 inches by 6 inches, and we're gonna take the smooth side of each side, whatever side is the smoothest, and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue these 2 pieces together to make it one piece. So the diorama is built. So now we need to go ahead and do the flooring. So for the floor of this diorama, we're going to be using hardwood floor print that's in the scrapbook section at Hobby Lobby. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover the entire floor with this paper. So let's go ahead and cover the floor. Okay, so the floor is completely glued in. So now I just wanna make some quick furniture, which I'm going to make a bed. So I'm going to make the bed out of the box that I have that was the box that I got my ring light in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disassemble the box and pretty much make it flat. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it down at least about 11 inches across. And then I'm going to build it back up and just hot glue the top part together. Now that I have the shape for the actual bed, now I'm gonna go ahead and cover this part with the same wood grain paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover this part right here that I made for a headboard that I just cut another piece of that same cardboard, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the back of this piece right here. So now that I made the bed here, I'll probably end up putting it in the corner over here and making a little bit of space. But I do want to do a window area right here in this area right here. So what I'm going to do is take this view that I got printed from Walgreens, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the wall by the bed to give like a window view from the bedroom. And I think that would be really cute for this space. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the bed. I just want to see how it fit in the space. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this right in the space where I want it, and then taking black cardstock, I'm going to frame it. have our view, I want to go ahead and glue this kitchen in. Now, you guys are familiar with this kitchen. This is the same kitchen I had inside the Shimmer Mansion. I did get this from Amazon. It's painted white, and now I painted the knobs black just for this space right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this kitchen in right here in the corner of the space over here to make like the kitchen area, and then I'm gonna do the living space. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera this way. So we're gonna go ahead and glue the kitchen in. Kitchen in, I'm gonna go ahead and go to this side where this wall is, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn this wall into a brick wall. And for that, I'm gonna be wallpaper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make this a brick wall right here on the side. Wooden dowel and this white piece of fabric that I got from the craft store, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut 2 pieces out of this. Okay, so now we're gonna put the curtains up here and just hold it in place so it can stay. Alright, so that looks really good. I really like how that came out. So now we can go ahead and put the bed in place. The bed is in place. I do want to put some art on the walls. Before that, I do want to put some bedding on the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and do my no-sew pillows and my no-sew blankets. I will link a video down below on how I do that. So I'm going to go ahead and make some bedding for the bed. And then once we do that, we'll start get to decorating, and then we'll do the little living room area. I already put the comforter on the bed part, and I had glued down a piece of fabric to go underneath it. So now I'm just gonna put some pillows, and before that I'm gonna do a little throw blanket that I glued together to put across here, and I think that's cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add these 2 pillows that I made for the top pillows right here. Then I would like to add these solid pillows right here, and then I want to do these striped pillows, and for the front I want to have this long pillow right here, and I think that's really cute for that space because it's very airy and light and not too heavy. So now I would like to add this wicker table that I had from my Shimmer Mansion, and I'm gonna put it as a side table on the other side of the bed right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this little plant and put it over there as well, like as a little nightstand. And then now I would like to put some things on the wall. So I have some printouts from Walgreens that I'm going to go ahead and add to the wall as decor. So now we can move to this area, and in this area I'm gonna bring in the sofa. For the sofa, I'm gonna put another sofa like what I had for the Shimmer Mansion, and then I want to add these 2 pillows that I think will be really cute. I got it from the Etsy shop, so I really like how that looks. But I'm probably gonna, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna put the front table like this that I had from before as a coffee table, and then I can switch things out as I want. I decided not to glue down the bed, so this would be a cute little diorama if you don't want to invest in a dollhouse and you just want to keep space for your doll. This would be really cute to have. So let me know what you guys think, and let me add one more thing to the table and then we'll be done. You can also add this piece that I got from a Barbie bath set. I did review this set. I'll put it in the description box down below. And I was thinking maybe this would be really cute with a a little bit like the vases right here on the table. I got these from Hobby Lobby in the miniature section, these 2 vases. And I think they're super cute, you know, it's something very cute and modern, and I really like that. And also this little flower pot from Hobby Lobby that I'm gonna go ahead and add to this shelf as well. Probably like on the second shelf right here and turn it to the side. And I think that's really cute. So this is the complete look of this mini apartment studio. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.